This tutorial will walk you through how to make a cute zipper pouch using small scraps of denim. It's great for upcycling old pairs of jeans into something that you can actually use. You can download the free pattern for this design by following the link in the description below, and then following along with the step-by-step instructions. To start with, you want to sew pieces 1, 2, and 3 together along the diagonal with right sides together. After pressing and finishing the seams, you want to add pieces 4 and 5 according to the design, so that now you have a rectangle. Once that's sewn, add piece 6 at the top along the upper edge. Repeat that process for the second half of the pouch. For the second half of the pouch, you can either choose to make a mirror reflection of the design, which is what I did, or you can just make the same design twice. Now it's time to add the zipper. With the zipper face down, sew it to the upper edge of the bag. Once sewn, press the zipper away from the pouch. You can also top stitch this to keep the denim folded down. Now you want to sew the zipper to the other side of the bag. Place the zipper and pouch face down on the second side of the bag and sew along the upper edge. After sewing, press the bag away from the zipper so that it is in between both sides of the pouch. Now we're going to add a little tab to one side of the pouch. Using a seam ripper, remove a belt loop from an old pair of jeans. Fold it in half and baste it on one side of the pouch near the zipper. Now you're going to sew the two sides of the pouch together. Line them up with right sides together and stitch along the sides and bottom. Before stitching, make sure that the zipper is at least halfway open. Next, you want to turn the bag to the right side through that halfway open zipper and press the seams to make it flat. And that's it. You have already finished your new scrap denim pouch.